Let's break it down step by step. No jargon, no confusion. Step 1. Visit the official Forex.com website and select Create Account. Step 2. Enter your details. Name, email, password, and country. Step 3. Verify your email and complete the trading experience questionnaire. Step 4. Upload ID plus proof of address for KYC verification. Lastly, once verified, fund your account and choose your trading platform. You're done! From sign up to live trading can take as little as 10 to 15 minutes. Pro setup tip: switch to dark mode dashboard under settings. It's easier on the eye for long sessions. Final note: always begin with risk management tools enabled. Set stop loss and take profit before every trade. That's it. Your Forex.com account is officially ready for live action. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.